What up, guys? Firebeast back here for another one, and today we are looking at what was gonna be Don't Tread on Me truck, but I just been playing this game and Off-Road Outlaws, and yeah, I colored the rims, new bumper, lights, winch, window tint, paint, and the snake, snorkel, the step risers, and light bar on top, as y'all saw, and handyman jack, a little crate if I kill like ducks, put it up in there, and got flags, and also it's always hunting time. So yeah, that looked like a 308 and a pump shotgun 12 gauge. And I'm gonna show y'all the original bed. I'll go to customize body, the bed. That what it was gonna look like. But it had a flag over here and a flag over here. I just dropped it. And it said redneck on it. But I was going and I saw that and I was like, whoa, I need that. Diamond plate, metal bed, snorkel, 2 American flags because America, and repair kit in case if I had to give somebody gas, work on their vehicle, or boost them off. And I also got a winch if I had to tow them. And I'm not done with it, not yet, because I want to get it to 30,000, sell it, so I could buy the truck that I'm getting around Christmas for it's this truck right here. I gotta make sure I was recording. This truck right here, but it will be a RC truck. And ooh, I just thinking I don't even gotta sell my other truck. I buy this one for 150 gold. Save all my gold up. Boom, have 2 trucks, and this be my play truck. Yeah, dude. Heck yeah. This worked out fine then. I never even went around and looking at these trucks. Yeah. That will work. But yeah, this, like I said, it was gonna be Don't Tread on Me truck. I'm sorry, I had to pause y'all there. Yeah, I paused y'all. Yeah, this is the truck. It is sitting at $21,125. Yeah, $125. And yeah, I'm not done with it, not yet. But this will be the limited work truck. And yeah, if y'all want it, I might put it up for sale for y'all. Because I know how people like selling their stuff, getting money off of it, whatnot. But yeah, I think that would be a good idea. I hope y'all guys like this video. Catch y'all guys on the next one. And I might make one for Friday. Catch y'all guys on the next one. Peace. I mean, not police. Peace, bruh.